You know who I am, but you don't recognize me. My name is Dr. Xavier Blackstone! Oh, no, don't boo me, don't cheer me. I don't care what you do, but I am a changed man. You see, I promise you all I changed. I had to apologize. I couldn't cure the kid as a doctor, so what do? I have found a higher power, and I'm going to lead him down this dark, desolate place. And it's all your fault, not mine! So let me introduce to you the dysfunctional lunatic, KIDD right there!
Welcome to the asylum. Today we'll be introducing you to some of our most notorious inmates. They are here because of their psychological instabilities.
Left, right, straight ahead. There's nowhere to get. Left, right, straight ahead. There's nowhere to get.
But I'm not done yet! You think that's it, right? Y'all see me just with him. Guess what? I have a man from my oldest son that's been begging and begging to kick all your fucking asses, and especially these clowns we've got in here tonight. His name! Let me bring him out first. This is Kid Lightning's tag team partner. Hit his music!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the asylum. Today
Oh no, that's not there.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the asylum. Today we'll be introducing you to some of our most notorious inmates. They are here because of their psychological instability.
Promised you and everybody around this great area, this man has been hungry Ready? His name is J.D. PRUITT! Now, what are these so-called idiots, buttheads, whatever we're wrestling tonight? Bring them out.
Don't be throwing shit at me.
What the fuck is Blackstone doing, man?
Well, didn't he
changed his shit plumb up, didn't he?
Well, didn't he tell you that he changed?
Yeah, but damn, the fuck is that? He's got a book now instead of a skull.
I don't fucking know.
He's still fucking creepy as hell, man.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got some tag team action for you right now. Accompanied by Xavier Blackstone, it is the Lost Souls, Kid Lightning and J.D. PRUITT versus Skeletor and Legion.
Skeletor
And Legion.
And Legion.
I fucked up. All right, Devin Graves. J.D. PRUITT.
Yeah, that's his name.
Making his return here tonight. Oh, and goes down hard.
No, he's making his debut.
Correction, making his debut. He's getting ready for a double suplex by Skeletor and Legion. It's a 2. And an Irish whip to the rope. Oh! J.D. PRUITT comes off with a shoulder tackle. And Legion goes down on his ass. In comes Kid Lightning. Oh, and a right hand to the breadbasket of Legion. Oh, and a neck breaker. Kid Lightning's got devilish shit on his mind. You can bet that, Devin Graves. He's talking shit to the ref. Oh, and a chop. Kid Lightning with a chop to Legion. In comes J.D. PRUITT again. Oh, and a chop. I know that shit hurts because I felt him before.
It makes you want to get a chop, don't it?
God damn! Woo! Holy shit balls! Damn! I believe Legion about shit his pants on that one. Oh, and a suplex. God! Legion looking for a tag to Skeletor. JD Pruitt setting him up for another suplex. Oh, and down he goes hard to the mat. JD Pruitt in control of this match thus far. And he tags in Kidd again. JD Pruitt and Kid Lightning are making seamless tags here and quick tags too, keeping each other fresh. Legion's been in the ring from the get-go. He needs a tag, man. He needs a tag bad.
That's almost a half Boston Crab right there.
Oh wow, Legion showing some offense. He just kicked off Kid Lightning. Kid Lightning looks like he's thinking, what the fuck? I had him. Oh, Kid Lightning just throws Legion to the corner. And he's just giving the rights and lefts to the midsection. Legion's in a world of shit now. He's trying, look at him, he's fucking playing with him. He's like, take my hand, bitch. Skeletor just falls down in a fit of rage, man. His tag partner. Look at his chest, man. Look at Legion's chest. Just
like
fucking,
I said,
it's fucking red as a Christmas bow, man.
Like I said, you want to get chopped by him, don't you? Yeah.
I'll let Buddy take that chop. And a tag to JD Pruitt on the lifeless body of Legion. Foot right to the face. Poor Legion is getting his ass handed to him. And he kicks out. Legion still got some fire to take. Devin Graves.
Hey, apparently there's no quit in Legion.
No, Legion, there's no quit in him, that's for sure, because if it was me, after that fucking chop, I would have quit.
Or he just don't know when to give up. One of them two.
He's got more guts than he does brains, Devin Graves. JD Pruitt hits another suplex on Legion. Skeletor is looking for the hot tag. He gets the hot tag. He goes Skeletor. In comes Kid Lightning. These motherfuckers are gonna fuck shit up tonight here, Devin Graves. Oh, and a kick. And a punch. Skeletor. Kid Lightning just going to fuck off on Skeletor. Shoulders to the midsection.
Now, who's going to fuck shit up?
Kid Lightning's going to fuck shit up because I don't think he's on his meds again. Oh, and a running knee to the back of Skeletor. Skeletor. His spine just said, what the fuck happened? There you go. Turned over to the Boston Crab. Kid Lightning got Skeletor in the Boston Crab.
No, that's like a sharpshooter.
Sharpshooter. He fought out of it though. Skeletor fought out of it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, and a running drop kick to Kid Lightning by Skeletor. It's a forearm shot by Kid Lightning to Skeletor. Irish whip to the ropes, and a clothesline from hell. He's down. Skeletor is down. Kid Lightning picks him up, and you can bet it's not from the kindness of his own heart. He's got some more damage into plans for Skeletor, and JD Pruitt comes in with a kick. With a kick. Son of a fucking Sasquatch, a DDT! He lit Skeletor up with that DDT. That made me cough, Devin Graves. I can imagine how Skeletor feels. You used to wrestle. How does that feel, Devin Graves? Tell me how that feels.
Not too damn good.
I bet not. Oh! And a suplex! JD Pruitt with a devastating suplex on the Skeletor. Skeletor is looking for a tag. He tags Legion back in. Legion says, holy shit, here I gotta go again. Boom! And he's met with a right hand by J.D. Pruitt. J.D. Pruitt is vicious tonight. Oh, and another DDT. Legion has got to be knocked out. But he kicks out again. Legion kicks out again. Look at the heart of this guy, man. Look at the heart of this guy. Kid Lightning back in the ring. He's got Legion in a front face headlock and a DDT. DDT. Kid Lightning burying that knee deep in the back of Legion. Look at the whelps on Legion's chest. Oh, he kicks him. Legion kicks Kid Lightning in the head. He gets him off of him. And a forearm shot. And a straight punch to the head. Legion is sticking Kid Lightning. And Legion with a DDT. Ooh, and a strong kick out by Kid Lightning. Dr. Blackstone out there pounding on the ring. Here comes J.D. Pruitt again. Oh! El Skeletor with the clothesline to J.D. Pruitt. Oh, and a kick to the midsection. Holy shit! El Skeletor's got J.D. Pruitt up. And looks like a powerbomb type position. And Legion. Oh, wow! A doomsday device. Oh, man. El Skeletor and Kid Lightning going at it on the outside the ring with Dr. Xavier Blackstone over there directing traffic. Legion laying in the ring trying to figure out where the fuck he is. Legion's in the ring by himself. This is not good. Oh, and J.D. Pruitt attacks him. He picks him up. Oh! An FU to Legion by J.D. Pruitt. And a spear! And a spear by Kid Lightning. Legion has got to be broken in half. He's got to have some eternal.
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like your winner by disqualification, El Skeletor and Legion.
El Skeletor and Legion picks up the win by DQ.
Yeah, what a hell of a match. Legion, he's going to be sore for about a month, man.